Alright guys, here's why a lot of people think the answer is 4. They say 3 minus 5 and that gives us 2. And of course there is multiplication sign here and then multiplication sign down here, and 3 minus 5 is another 2. And remember, there is minus sign and there is minus sign here because 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2 and 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2. And so they say minus 2 times minus 2 and that gives us 4. Minus times minus gives us plus, so that gives us 4. Okay, so this answer is absolutely wrong because we have not followed the order of operation called BEDMAS or PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and addition and subtraction have equal priority. So let us solve for the correct answer. Let's write the question down again. So we have 3 minus 5. Okay, 3 minus 5. And so, following the order of operation, the first step would be to open the parentheses. Okay, so 3 minus 5, and that gives us minus 2. Okay, and then multiplication minus 5 and 3. Right? Don't mind my handwriting, okay? And so multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Okay, so what do we have right here? So we have minus 5 times minus 2, and that gives us minus 5 times minus 2, and that gives us 3 plus 10. Yeah, okay, so 3 plus 10, and that the final answer is what? The final answer is 13. So this is the final and correct answer. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting my journey on YouTube. Please take me to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.